Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Whistleblowers against corruption in Goa not safe, facing threat to life. Ankit Salgaonkar youth who exposed Mapusa RTO corruption attacked suspect RTO agents. Political situation in Goa demands Shripad to be lion. BJP MLA Vishnu backed Shripad with mantra. Shripad says recent developments a matter within BJP. Social Welfare Department recovers 8 crore rupees from bogus beneficiaries of DSS scheme. 120 government servants and 1,639 dead beneficiaries deleted. And government open to re-amendment in Tennessee Act Sunset Clause, assures Parrikar, says many promises yet to fulfill. Concerned over Santana's Nala. Now the news in detail. Social Welfare Department has recovered nearly 8 crore 20 lakh rupees from bogus beneficiaries claiming undue benefits of Dayanand's Social Security Scheme. Almost 1,759 beneficiaries of the state's DSS scheme were found bogus, out of which 120 beneficiaries were government servants and 1,639 people are dead ones. Department has fined government servants for falsely taking advantage of the Social Security Scheme. Watch report.
Through Pune-based Center for Development Planning and Research, the Social Welfare Department has conducted a survey of beneficiaries of the government's Dayanand Social Security Scheme. During survey, department has found that 1,759 beneficiaries were bogus and they or their kin were falsely enjoying benefits of Social Security Scheme. According to the sources, till September, department has found 120 government servants who were falsely taking advantage of Social Welfare Scheme. Department has cancelled forms of government servants. They were fined up to 8% interest while recovering the total undue claim benefits. Nearly 1,639 beneficiaries are dead, but were not reported by their kin. Social Welfare Department has cancelled dead beneficiaries' account and has asked the concerned banks to return the money to the state treasury. Till September, department has recovered nearly 8 crore 20 lakhs. Under the Dayanand Social Security Scheme, almost 1,34,218 beneficiaries across the state get a state assistance of 2,000 rupees a month. Of these, senior citizens, 97,097 beneficiaries, widows, 26,745 beneficiaries, disabled, 10,075 beneficiaries, HIV, 189 beneficiaries, Bachpan, 114 beneficiaries. Total, 1,34,218 beneficiaries. While the state is facing financial crunch post-mining ban to run and sustain its populist welfare schemes, Social Welfare Department says the drive against bogus beneficiaries will continue. Reporter Mahesh Gari for Prudent.
The political situation in Goa demands Shripad Bhau to be a lion. BJP MLA Vishnu Wag, sarcastically hinting at recent elevations in the state politics, gave this mantra to the BJP senior state leader and Minister for State for Health Shripad Naik. Vishnu assured Shripad his backing. The Diamond Jubilee felicitation ceremony of Dharma Sodankar saw leaders like Shripad Naik and Ramakant Khalap on the Ds. When media questioned Shripad for his take on recent political developments in Goa, he left the scene hurriedly, saying it's a matter within the party.
पण सध्या गोव्यातली एकंदर परिस्थिती पाहिली तर श्रीपाद भाऊला सेवाची भूमिका घेण्यावाचून दुसरा कुठला पर्याय उरलेला नाही. आणि मी आधीच सांगितलं की हा वाघ तुमच्या सोबत आहे. तुम्ही फक्त पावलं टाका आणि सांगा.
Shripad Bhau is currently the Minister of State for Health and Minister of State with independent charge for the newly formed Ayush. Bhau was holding independent charge as Union Minister of State with independent charge of Tourism and Culture Ministries during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first cabinet formation. But after Manohar Parikar's elevation as the defence minister, Bau was demoted and was given charge under the Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda.
आयुर्वेद किंवा आयुष एक आमच्या हिंदुस्थानाचो एक स्ट्रॉंग पॉयंट आसा. आतापर्यंत तो दामून उरिल्लो. म्हणजे ब्रिटिशांनी 200 वर्सां दवरलो, परंतु ताच्या नंतर सुद्दां काही लोक ते दामून दवरपाक हें ठरिल्ले, यशस्वी ठरिल्ले. परंतु प्रायम मिनिस्टरांनी तो नवीन मिनिस्ट्रीची हें दिवन ताका एक भरपूर बजेट दिवन ते भारतांतच न्हय, ते संपूर्ण जगांक ताजो प्रसार करपाची वेगवेगळ्यो योजना तातूंतल्यान चालले आसा. आयुष जें आसा तें संपूर्ण जगांक ताजेर अधिपत्य हें करपाचें काम हें सगळ्यांक तांचे आनी तांचो तो तसो ट्युरिजम आवडतो विशय जालो. ताजे पेक्षा आवडतो विशय हो आयुष आशिल्लो आनी त्यामुळे
The last 10 days, the state witnessed hectic political developments. Manohar Parikar's induction as the Union Defence Minister, Lakshmikant Parsekar took over as the Chief Minister, and then the cabinet expansion. Defence Minister Parikar was given overwhelming and grand welcome in Goa, but Shripad Bau was nowhere in the scene. When media questioned him, he said he dodged the media, saying it's party's internal matter.
पण श्रीपाद भाऊ खंय दिसले ना तो
ना हांव नाशिल्लो
इंडियन चार्ज बी
घेतलो. हांव दिल्लीक आशिल्लो. अशें कांय ना.
कन्सल्ट केल्ले सगळे घडामोडी
पॉलिटिक्स काय ना, हे सगळं पार्टी अंतर्गत बाब आसा ती. तातूंतल्यान हातूंतलें हें काय ना.
आर यू डिसअपॉइंटेड
नो अजिबात ना. थँक्यू.
Meanwhile, Defence Minister Parikar left for Delhi on Sunday. He was in Goa for 3 days for a final official handover. Even in the weekend, he was busy in official business with series of meetings at Mahalakshmi residence. He had meetings with the Chief Minister, government officials and the well-wishers on Sunday before leaving to Delhi in the evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seems like Goa is no more safe for the activists and the whistleblowers acting against corruption. Ankit Salgaonkar, who had exposed RTO's corrupt staff and the agents through a sting operation, is facing threats to his life. Recently, some unknown miscreants pelted stones at his vehicle while on the move. Ankit suspects involvement of RTO agents as they suffered a setback due to his sting operation. Ankit has reported incident to the Kalangut police but no action as of date.
Like other states, seems like Goa too is not safe for whistleblowers. Ankit Salgaonkar, who has exposed corruption by the RTO staff, is facing hard times. Ankit, the same youth who had captured the corrupt RTO LDC while accepting bribe. Prudent had aired Ankit's sting operation, thereby exposing the dalals in and outside the RTO office at Mapusa. During probe, the LDC had reportedly stated before the Vigilance Department that bribe is a system in the RTO. Though the RTO department suspended her on charges of corruption, the probe failed to nab the culprits in the chain.
रातचो हांव 12 सुमार आमचे फॅमिलीचे फंक्शन अटेंड करून घरा येतालो. सालिगांव पावलो तितल्यान अचानक म्हाजेर कोणें अटॅक करपाक ट्राय केलो. तेंच्यांनी फातर काडून म्हाजेर गाडयेर मारलो. तो चुकोन बॉनेटाचेर बसलो. फुडें वचून रावलो आनी परत रिटर्न येयलो. पळय जाल्यार थंय फातर आसलेलो आनी गाडी डॅमेज जाल्लेली म्हाजी. तितल्यान हांव आनी गाडयेंतलो देंवलो ना, कित्याक की म्हाजेर अटॅक करतले परत म्हणून हांव थंयसून फुडें गेलो डायरेक्ट आनी घरा गेलो. दुसरे दिसा वचून हांवें कंप्लेन केली.
Ankit's sting operation had also exposed the RTO agents' illegalities outside the RTO office in Mapusa. There are still who run this dalali post-sting operation. But shrewdly, Ankit has somehow managed to keep a close watch on these agents.
ते केसीन एजंटाचो सुद्दां धंदो डावन जाल्लो आसा सगळ्यांचो. तर ते अशें आयकून येयलेले की म्हाका मारूंक सोदता म्हणून, की हांवें तेंचो धंदो सारको डावन उडयला, तेंचो सारके पोटाचे हाल जाल्लेले. तशें तेका लागून ते म्हाका मारपाक ट्राय करताले. हो एक टायम हो म्हाजो पयलो एटेम्प्ट तेंच्यांनी केला मारपाचो. तरी म्हाका अशें दिसता की फुडें म्हाजेर अशें अटॅक करतले, ते अटेम्प्ट करतले. ज्या पद्दतीन ते उलयता पळय मारपाचें करपाचें, अशें दिसता की हांव आतां अनसेफ आहा हांगासर.
The incident of attack has been reported to the Kalangut police, but the response from the police has been casual so far. Vigilance probe too failed to crack the network. Maybe someday the suspended RTO LDC too will rejoin the duty. But for the genuine whistleblowers, be assured of a platform on Prudent for your voice against corruption. Let's nail the corrupt. Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.